just did something crazy. I just quit my corporate job. I am still shaking. Wow. I've been in the corporate world for 8 years, and for me, that was 8 years too long. I have a degree in communications and a master's in marketing management, and I've been kind of crushing it in the corporate world. I am a manager, I make 6 figures, crushing it on the financial aspect. But guess what? My mental health is absolute trash from corporate. I'm sick of the corporate game. I cannot pretend that I care about this or that this stuff is as important as performing brain surgery. It's not that deep and I can't pretend anymore. I've just worked so hard on my mental health and my life and being confident in who I am as a person and getting rid of things and people in my life that make me feel less than, and corporate made me feel less than. I felt like I was belittled and I felt like it was so unhealthy and so toxic, and I don't want that for myself. I am sick of sitting behind a computer and being nitpicked for 8 hours a day. It just felt like I was rotting and my soul was being sucked out of me. I have so much passion for other things and so much to give, and I'm not gonna waste it anymore. Life is too short and I wanna be happy. I'm going to work my butt off to give myself a fulfilling, stable life without corporate parameters. I have a lot of exciting things coming. I am just going to grind it out in a ton of different areas of my life and find what sticks. And I'm so excited to share it all with you. So my life starts today. I feel 30 pounds lighter. Come along with me and see where this takes me. Who knows? I am so excited to find out.